Hey guys, my sincerest apologies to those of you that didn't find this video very detailed. Here is a detailed video on how to mount the AMBITFUL teleprompter onto the Sony ZV-E10 kit lens. Step 1. Screw on the 40.5mm to 49mm step-up lens adapter into the kit lens. Step 2. Screw on the 49mm teleprompter lens adapter. Step 3. Align the groove of the back of the teleprompter to slide into the 49mm lens adapter. Step 4. Unscrew the phone holder, slide in the phone that has your script on it, and screw it back on to hold the phone firmly in place. That's all. My sincerest apologies once again. I hope this helps. Bye guys.